Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to activate a Visa gift card. Now, I'm talking about online activation. The first thing you need to do is visit the card issuer's website. So you go to the website listed on the back of the gift card or in the packaging. Next, enter the card number and expiration date. The card number is usually a 16-digit number. Next, you have to enter the 3-digit security code or CVV from the back of the card. Next, you have to create a PIN. This is optional, but some gift cards may require you to create a PIN for security purposes. Next, you have to review the terms and conditions, then confirm activation. It's important for you to know that activation requirements may vary depending on the card issuer. Some gift cards may have additional activation steps or requirements. Make sure to sign the back of your card and keep it in a safe place to prevent unauthorized use. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.